Hi folks, Marcus here, CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be roasting up a loin of pork. Okay, so I've got a wonderful loin of pork here, and I'm going to be cooking this on the Alfresco 120 from Trailblazer. I'm going to be roasting it near the coals to get the crackling nice and crispy, so looking forward to this. I've got a little bit of this brandy wood here for smoking, brandy barrel wood for smoking, and I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on and then cook it on here. Looking forward to this, hopefully get really good crackling. Okay, so this pork loin roasting joint has been sat overnight with salt on to draw the moisture out of the skin, so it needs a little bit more salt. On the meat side especially, and some pepper. There we go, lovely. Okay, I'm going to insert the meter into the eye of the loin here, up to the mark, and then I'm looking for 63 degrees C minimum on here. Lovely. Okay, so I'm going to pop this skin side close to the hot coals there, so that should crackle up nicely. So this crackling's setting up nice. Looking good there. Make sure it gets a nice even heat, and then we'll turn it over. Okay, so I've moved the pork more indirect, and I've put a foil tray in underneath to catch the drips. A few more wood chips on there. As you can see, the coals are nice and grey now. Got some nice crackling getting there. So give this a while yet, and we'll be looking good. So we're not too far off now. I've popped some roasties on. Parboiled new potatoes just to crisp up in the pan here. And a little bit of olive oil with some garlic, sea salt, rosemary and thyme. Okay, so the roasties have crisped up nice. I'm going to push those over indirect. And I'm going to crisp up the pork here, just to get some nice colour on the underside there. Okay, so we're getting there. The pork is almost at 60 degrees C. I'm going to pop on some veg, some chopped courgette spears around it just to caramelise up. Okay, so these courgettes are starting to char up, nice. That's what I want. Move these over. Okay, so the meter is telling me we're at 61 degrees C internal, so by the time I take this off and rest it, it's going to be 63 degrees target and perfect. So I'll just take it off, let's have a look. That looks stunning. Okay, go, look at that. Crispy crackling. Pop the meter. That's the meter there. Courgettes are looking nice. They're softening up and charred lovely. Potatoes are good. By the time this is rested, we're going to have a meal on us. Okay, so I've let this rest. Crackling's lovely. It's nice and juicy and pink. Smoke ring there. Looks nicely cooked. I'm going to cut a bit off and let's have a taste. Look at that crackling. Okay, going to go for a bit of the crackling first. Oh, beautiful. On a bit of the pork. Beautifully cooked. You get the nice smoke off that. Bit of grilled courgette, because you've got to have your veggies. Oh, lovely. A bit more pork. Crackling. Wow. Okay, so for a first cook on this beast, I'm really impressed. It's roasted this up lovely, got some nice crackling, good heat retention from a small pile of charcoal there. The charcoal's brilliant as well. That home oak charcoal is fantastic, so impressed with that. Yeah, really nice, just on a small pile of charcoal, cooked a really good roast dinner, so I'm happy with that. This is a banging bit of kit and I'm looking forward to doing some more cooking and some more recipes with it. Brilliant. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, remember, down there, that button, click on it, subscribe, let me know you like what I do, and please tell your friends what I'm doing here at CountryWoodSmoke. Take care, cheers.